Technically, as counsel, I submit that having found ballot boxes for the following polling stations, namely polling station 001, Danda Primary School, Lusasa / Kalungi Parish, Bukola Sub-County of Kalungu County East, partly sealed with an opening. Having found the polling station of 006, Kamutuza, Kuchifunvu polling station, Bugonzi Parish, Bukula Sub-County of Kalungu County East constituency, and also having found polling station 006, Kamutuza dash Kuchifunvu, Kiruluuta, LC1 Kitawuluzi, Lusango Parish.
What is the name of the polling station?
001 Kiruluuta W, LC1 Kitawuluzi polling station, Lusango Parish, Bukula Sub-County, Kalungu County East constituency, without a seal. And also having found and established that polling station 002, Elite High School, Bugomola Parish, Wabenge Sub-County of Kalungu County East constituency, and having found polling station 007, Kabale 2, Buchazi, Bugonzi Parish, Bukula Sub-County of Kalungu East constituency, with a broken seal. Your Honor, having found also 008, Chitiaba Madrasat Taufik Mosque polling station of Bugomola Parish.
Kitiaba what?
Chitiaba Madrasat Taufik Mosque polling station, Bugomola Parish, Wabenge Sub-County, Kalungu County East constituency, and having found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 polling stations on my record, with seals tampered with, one of which had no seal at all, two of which had an opening on the top. The presumption we submit is that the person who tampered or broke the given seals was for the purpose of gaining advantage over the other. The result, we cannot proceed to submit. We cannot proceed with the recount process, as the result would stand unverifiable. In the certificate of this process, under the hand of this court that the Honorable Kiruluuta Yusuf Junior Keretanyi was properly declared as the elected member of parliament for Kalungu County East constituency, and that the said results that had been halted for transmission be transmitted for gazettement by the Electoral Commission. We so pray. We thank you for conducting us through this exercise. We are most obliged. Thank you, Your Honor.